Hey guys, Uncle Chris here. Viewing tayo ngayon dito sa Aldo Residences. And this time, we're in a tandem 4-bedroom, 131 square meter penthouse unit. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Mabilis lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Okay? So as you can see here, this is the entryway for your unit and then may window agad dito. And then immediately on the right side, you have this very big, spacious kitchen with a lot of counter space and then a lot of walking space pa. So you can put a lot of things here, additional cabinets, your big size fridge, and then your oven and everything that you would need in your kitchen to do a very good cooking. And then sa kabilang side naman, you have here what is normally reserved as your, either it can be a storage or it can be your maid's room. And then meron din siyang bath or toilet and bath na attached na. So para magamit yon and hindi nyo i-share yung common toilet and bath nyo, which is here right now. And then immediately beside that is your drying area where you can put your washer and dryer. And then, andito tayo sa unang bedroom, which is very, very spacious. And ang ganda ng layout niya. And obviously, kita nyo naman, ang laki ng window natin. So moving on, this is your very, very big living and dining area combined, which has access to your common balcony. So, nandyan, pwede nyo gamitin yan if you've got guests. Alright? So, moving on. So, this is a little smaller, yung bedroom na to. So, this can be your guest room or it can be your office. And then, immediately beside that is your master. And then, this area can be either a walk-in or a walk-through closet, which is connected to your ensuite toilet and bath. Alright? And then, here is your very, very spacious master bedroom. And then as you can see, meron pa rin siyang balcony. And the good part about this balcony is sarili nyo tong balcony na to. So this balcony is not shared dun sa common balcony natin. So this is private and accessible only to the master bedroom. Alright? So to view this unit or any other bigger cut DMCI units that we have on any other property, message nyo lang ako. Mapapasok natin yan. So ano pang hinahantay nyo guys? Message na. Alright? I'll see you soon. Bye!